If you don't like leaks but love saving money, then this is for you. Hey, homeowners, did you know your roof might be hiding some sneaky problems? We're talking about leaks, missing shingles, and those pesky drafts, but don't worry. Spotting these issues early can save you big bucks down the line. And guess what? Getting a professional to check it out is easier than ever. Just contact a roof repair contractor for a free quote. It's quick, simple, and could save you from a lot of headaches. Plus, you'll get expert advice on the best course of action for your home. So why wait? Call us at the number listed below and get your free quote today. Your home deserves the best care and your wallet will thank you. Happy homeowning!